Registered nurse, first hand, first assistant. So like more kag surgeon pre, pero like nurse ka.
Ba't gusto mo pa maging RNFA? Bisaya ka na.
Pre, kung silon ko not ikaw pre, lang taon no kinsa jud baking Bisaya nato.
That Wi-Fi.
Oh, nice one, saging. Clutch mo to, I'll buy you tiny glade.
Yawa, Jonathan, yung pangalan ka doon ko.
Team Jonathan.
Stick to half, then pick.
Pasok yan. Putang ino mo talaga, Ainor.
Nice one.
Ay, sorry, Ainor. Namura ba kita? Pasensya mo na ako. Ano lang ako, nadala ba? Nadala ng...
Mau ba pre?
Oh, promise, Ainor.
Thank it, Jonathan. Thank it.
Share mo lang pre, share mo lang.
Hindi, promise, Ainor. Alam mo naman mahalaga ka sa amin eh. Tropa ka namin.
Sige, kumikik. Don't speak of anything.
Sige na.
It will only make it worse if longer yung pagkuhanin.
Oh my god, I'm the party leader. Holy shit. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Gabias, mga Tagalog, bay.
Yawan, as Blair bay. Pasalamat ka ang mic mo, pangpaa. Putang ina mo ka ha.
Oh shit, wag. Hell no.
Wait, help me, break me.
Go.
Napatay na ko, na. Uy, break. Ah, my god. GG.
Okay lang. Good trade. Bansa. Lahat kung sino yung magaling, doon kayo kumakampi. Yun lang yun.
Kundo, kadiri.
I think it's a matter of media, pre.
It's not a matter of media.
Mainstream media nasa Manila kasi that's why all the fucking credit
Dami yung basura.
It is a consistent pattern. Na pila ka beses na kayong
kain kayo ng pag.
Spike planted.
Bilis sila po ba? Ano na, min lahat. Min.
by hook or by crook?
By hook or by crook.
Ayun, narinig
Bird
na
that shit,
kayo.
bro. Bird that shit.
Mati Blair.
Langgamin mo, bre.
Tinakbo ni Blair!
Sige, diffuse isa.
Sige. By hook or by crook? I-diffuse!
Langgamin mo.
Asa magkahot og uncle siya.
Inihintay ko siya. Akala ko nandito yung ano.
Wala.
Parilin mo ako.
Pre!
Blair, balik.
Oh my god. By hook or by crook?
Hindi, kaya nyo na yan. Sige, kaya na.
Tulong.
Wala, market. Grabe pre, it's raining cats and dogs.
Go on.
Raining cats and dogs.
Saan?
Respo, Ainor! Respo!
Ay, no!
Gaya, ito to. By hook or by crook?
By hook or by crook?
140.
I came.
Nice one.
By hook. Keep up the iceberg. Let's go. Pick me.
The Lord is my shepherd.
Biscuit. Oh, tawanan.
Oh no! Please!
It's only tip of the iceberg. Di ba ang chase kasi mo at tungkol sa leprechaun na gold?
Dile bay, when there is sunshine, there's
rain.
There's rain. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain.
Go.
We do. Ganyan, pre.
By hook or by crook?
By crook. Oh, ipakita mong Tagalog ka.
Only one try.
Basta likod. 39.
Low na.
By hook or by crook?
Oh, TP.
Kakisa ng protractor, may.
30 seconds left.
Blur. Veteran.
Nandito na.
Motorbike.
Ay! May Tagalog dito!
Nice one.
Remaining.
Uy, I don't know.
Paligiran nyo lang, paligiran.
Nice one.
I don't know.
Wait, kayo ka player.
Oh shit, empty.
I have spark.
Oh my god. Ayun. Nice one.
Wala na.
What, mate?
Nice
Taas.
Nasa ikot.
Sige, tipis mo lang.
Ano ka?
Basta.
Ano ka?
Baik, kok. Katawan ni Mas Boli dan.